All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company, actually out here in Oak Harbor, on the west side of the lake here. But check this one out here, 30 by 56 with a beautiful there cupola. In this video, I'm going to show you as well. We're going to go inside here. They're doing interior ceiling as well. But check this one out. Sits, you can see it sits kind of down. You see I'm up pretty high here, but a pretty good setting here. So 30 by 56. 10 feet tall, and you see these windows right here. Specs on that, if you're thinking about specs, 3x4 windows here. It's got this nice carve-out porch, 6 foot. And you can see all of our porches, most of the porches. I don't know who wouldn't want to do this, but liner panel, and you can get this liner panel in a number of different colors. You can see a nice white color there. So entry door, pretty self-explanatory. And you can see on the overhead doors how we did this, how we boxed that in there. A little custom. A little bit more customization to that. You can see how that spanned out right there. So that's an 8x8 right there, and then this is also a 10 by, not an 8, yeah, 8x8, and then a 10, actually 12x8. All right. So what we're doing on this one, as you can probably see there, and like I just said in the previous video, check this out, what we did right here. We always put the coil stock up there. See how we put the coil stock? When we do a finish package, so how we run the coil stock, and then we also box in the 2x6s as well. So you see how clean that is? It makes it clean. Application, you can see the baffles are set up right there, but let me just show you that coil stock on this other one as well. See that one right there, the coil stock. And then we got the baffles running there. And then we got the J-channel set up, or the ceiling's gonna be installed. You probably see the J-channel up there, right below the trusses. Yeah, so you can see the baffles right there, getting set up, and then we're gonna run a white ceiling. And then what are your options? You know, I guess you could always put drywall up there, but you know, why not do a white ceiling? I mean, people still do drywall. But you see a lot more application of the white liner panel and ceiling. And you can see the vapor barrier up top. Again, 4 foot on center trusses. And again, I've said this numerous times in our videos, but if you're new to the channel or watching it, 1650 lumber that we use. And you can see the spec grade right here. And what does that mean? A 2 grade lumber. All right, 2 grade lumber makes out about 1,011.50. So 1650, again, 500 pressure points or tensile strength stronger. And then also, we've talked about this numerous times, but if you're new to the channel or watching this video for the first time, 3-ply laminated columns here, pressure points, again, 30% stronger, 6x6s. And really, when you talk about costs, really not that much more than a 6x6. So it's not a true piece of a lumber where 6x6 is gonna warp or twist. Where this is, you can see this is glued, laminated, finger jointed together. So different pressure points, boom, and then you got a pressure point there. And then you also got a pressure point right there as well. And you can see how we stagger those RSS bolts. Always good to stagger your nail patterns. All right, so there we go, guys. Kind of give you an overview of the building there. So a nice, clean 30 by 56, 10 foot tall building in Ottawa County on the west side of Lake Erie. So, all right, comments are always welcome. Until next one, keep it locked and loaded right here. Attica Lumber. Attica Lumber since 1925.